Hey everyone, this is Tony in my shed, and today I'm recording this the day before Thanksgiving, and um my dig box came in the mail. Hold on, let me take my let me take my address thingy off. So yeah, it came in the mail. So it came yesterday, but I got off of work a little late. No, I got off of work on time, but I also coach, as I've stated before. And we won, even though it's a non-conference game, we won. I think it was like 52 to 17. I'll give them 20. I'm so excited for our girls because we've had scrimmages last weekend and the weekend before last. And, I'm glad we got those scrimmages out the way because this is a JV team and they were able to get those first date jitters out the way, if you will. Meaning, some of them played with each other, some of them never played with each other, and some have zero experience, like real organized basketball experience, I should say. And just yesterday, I was so proud of the girls and my amazing assistant coach. So, thank you. They don't follow me. They don't even know I have a YouTube. But I still want to say thank you. So, here's my dig box. This is my second one. My first one was last month. I don't know if you can see these numbers up here. I was trying a TikTok hack for math, and it didn't work. So, let's not delay. I used to hate watching unboxing videos. There's a whole bunch of talk. Before I'm like, rip the damn box open. I want to see. I used to, before I locked my hair, let me get a scissor. Oh, it's right here. Before I locked my hair, I was a loose natural for a while. And I used to subscribe to Curl Kit or Curl Box, one or the other. So I used to love watching those unboxing videos, and they would talk. Pretty much is what I'm doing right now. So boom, got the tape off. Let's open it. Here, you open it. This is what it looks like. Welcome to Dig. The box theme is anticipation. So, it looks like each month is a theme for the box. And the word anticipation really sums up the feeling we get when the weather starts to warm and the things we planted in the fall begin to peek out through the soil. I know all about that. So it talks about bulbs. Oh man, I didn't want to read it all the way. Let's see. Okay, yay, that's exactly how I feel. Boom, let's go. Okay, so, I ain't gonna be ashy. What is this? Okay, Creative Kimona Cocoa Butter Heart Lotion Bar with Rose Petals. Soften the bar in the palm of your hands and rub directly on your skin. Reapply as needed. Crafted with organic cocoa butter, white beeswax, sweet almond oil, vanilla select fragrance oil, and pink rose petals. So, Creative KimosaStore.com. Oh, opening. And I become a hoarder of all things reusable. So, looks like I'll be reusing this tin. Sorry, guys. I promise you I can open things. I'm so serious. Do I pull it and I cut my nails? Should I come back to this and try to open it off camera? Bam, got it. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it smells like white chocolate. So this is here's the rose petal at the bottom. And you do like this and you rub it on. So I used to buy something like this from another company, Lush. And they have their little lotion bar. Oh, but this smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh, it smells like white chocolate, which I know cocoa butter, white chocolate. I get it. I like this. And I'm going to check out their website. Again, that's Creative with a K. Kimona, Kymona. King, Yankee, Mary, Ocean, Nora, Adam. And we have some more plant labels. Yay, wonderful. Cannot ever have enough of these. Wonderful. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have some more peat pellets. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Peat pellets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah! Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm like legit excited because ginger, I'm so happy because I keep forgetting to plant. It's stored in the rice to maintain, packed in rice to reduce moisture. Ginger, and this is nice and neat handwriting. I'm happy about this. And one thing I do want to share is on the back. I didn't read the back intentionally because last box I realized there were instructions. So I didn't want to ruin my surprise by reading the back. But it does have planting instructions on how to grow everything in here. So we have German red hardneck garlic. I could put that in the bed right now. Ooh, Italian late soft neck garlic. And I believe whether hard necks or soft necks, it depends on your growing zone, which is better for where you are. So I'm going to look that up, but I'm going to still plant this. Thank you. Red onions, yes, because I need some onions. Wonderful. Let me take it out the bag. So we have little bulbs. And this is perfect because like the letter said, anticipation. When you see the little green sprout coming from the onion bulb, it's exciting. Like, yay, spring is coming. I'll show you. This is the Italian late soft neck garlic bulb. And I'm going to share this with an Instagram friend of mine. She's a sweetheart. And I want to share. I believe in sharing. So this is the bulb right here. That's the Italian late soft neck garlic. Sharing is caring. And one is sprouting. Let me go put this in right now. I think I have a location that's ready to go. So this is the one that's has a little friend ready to go. Put me in, coach. Put me in. I've been practicing hard. Put me in, coach. And the ginger's right there. Shallots. Oh gosh. Shallots. Yes, 1, 2, 3 shallots. I like shallots. I'm excited to grow these as well. I love this. This is so exciting. All right, let me take my time. Oh, gotta tell my husband to take this over my Christmas list. Girl, I have to tell my husband to take this off of my Christmas list. This is a Hori knife. I believe this is what it is. Yeah, a Hori knife. I think. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But it has a serrated edge on this side. Like a pitchfork thing right here. And this, a notch. And this has inches, so inches. 5 up to 10 inches deep. It's like a cork handle. And I have long fingers. And the grip is good. I like this. I'm gonna tell Mr. M to take it off of the list. Hold on, somebody's calling me. I'm in the shed recording. That's Jade's. Ask Jade. I'm excited about this. Abso-freaking-lutely. I'm loving my box. Thank you, ladies at Dig. Follow them on Instagram. Their names are Haley and Irma. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful people. So I would have had a chance to meet them last week. They had like a little pop-up thing in North Carolina close to where I live. Close enough, I should say. It would have only taken me about 45 minutes, an easy 45 minutes, and I'm just stretching it. No, not even 45. Let's just say 30. Whatever the case may be. Let me stop waving this, but it's only me in here. I would have had an opportunity to meet them face to face to open up the box, but I had to work and the timing was all off. So I hate that I never met them in person as of yet. But Haley and Irma, if you are watching, thank you so much. I look forward to these boxes every month. Pretty soon, I'm gonna be like stocked to the brim with everything I want, didn't know I needed, and things that I did need. So thank you. This ginger, let me see. It says the ginger, place ginger root on the top 4 to 5 inches of soil and cover all but the sprouting tip. Place in a warm spot by a sunny window or under a grow light. It can take up to 12 months for the rhizome to mature. Harvest after the plant blooms and the stems fall over. Remember to save a piece to plant for more ginger the following year. Wonderful. So I'm in zone 7B-ish. Sometimes it's A. Let's pull it out. Let's see. Okay, so I think I plant, oh, let the smell. This side up, or this side. I'm going to have to look it up and see how to do this. I don't want to mess it up. I really don't. I really don't. I'm just like highly excited. I'm super excited about this box. I'm super excited about this subscription box. I'm not sponsored. I don't know these ladies outside of Instagram. I just really appreciate it, and I'm just excited about this. And if you are a gardener, if you have a small space, just anything, and you don't know what to do or don't know what to try, I suggest just giving this subscription box a shot. They have a full-size subscription box is what I usually get, and that costs me about $55 a month. And I think, check out their website or Instagram. I don't want to misquote, but they have like mini kits. I think maybe about $25, $30, something like that a month. And it's just, I think from the pictures that they show, you'll get like peat pellets and maybe a couple of packs of seeds, because you may already have these things. I don't. And I've been gardening and learning more about tools only for the past couple of years. I never heard of this thing except for watching YouTube videos and things of that sort. So it was on this year's Christmas list. So I'm excited I received it. This will definitely be used after the shower. It just smells like legit good. But check them out yourself. I believe these full-size things may come in the bigger box, and just the bare necessities, if you will, like seed packets, peat pods, I believe, will be in the just the smaller kits. Because again, like I said, you may have everything. I'm excited. This is my second box that I've received from them, and I have no complaints. I thank you all for watching. I shall record myself planting these shallots and the garlics. I don't want to screw anything up, so I'm going to read more about my growing zone and see if I am able to put the soft neck garlic in. And I'm going to read the directions. Thank you all for watching. Pay it forward. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay blessed. Bye-bye.